Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. Today we have a 2000 CL500. The color is Glacier White with a black leather interior. The CL500 is a V8. It's a big body coupe. Beautiful body styling. It has the classic 60s coupe roofline. Aluminum body, so you don't have to worry about rust. This is original paint, still in fantastic condition. Xenon headlights with high pressure washers, parking sensors. It has soft closed doors. Very nice leather interior. All real wood grain. The optional wood grain steering wheel has power memory seats on both sides, and they're heated. Rain sensing windshield wipers. Bucket seats in the back. Power rear shade. Naturally power moonroof. There's the memory seats. And you can adjust these seats. You can make the bottoms bigger and smaller. To fit the person. Dual exhaust. Has power folding side mirrors. This has active suspension. Gives you great handling and ride comfort. These were very expensive automobiles. They're at a kind of a bargain price now for a classic modern coupe. Aluminum body. Just a lot bang for your dollar there. Fun to drive, very stylish, and something you can hold on to for a long time. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this Mercedes coupe.